Hello, here is Zoe and James, and we're going to press the start button on the 3-minute timer. Hello everyone. We ended the last video by me saying the things that I want to learn. In case you want to come along with me, they are HTML, SQL, and Python. Now, one of the things that I realized was actually a massive problem for even getting started in learning about computer type stuff, and I am going to keep using air quotes because I like them, even though nobody else does. One of the problems is actually finding a collective noun for the types of things you want to do is really difficult, because even describing the things collectively makes you start sounding silly because there isn't a collective noun. So see that's not a programming language. Neither's that. You can't really call it coding because it's not really coding. You can't really call it programming because it's not really programming. There's 3 different things. And I think that's something that kind of stops you even starting to have the conversation, because what do you call them all together? So for that reason, I thought I'd just explain what these things actually are. So HTML is hypertext markup language. It's not programming. What it is a set of instructions to a computer program. Specifically, your browser. That's going to be Internet Explorer or Firefox or maybe Chrome, right? So what HTML is a way of saying, hey, Firefox, when I say H1, I want you to treat that as like being a big heading on the screen, is what goes on with that. SQL, database language. It's a way of saying, hey, database, when I ask you to find me a hotel in Rome, can you search all your hotels and just bring back the ones in Rome? Python, on the other hand, now that's actually a programming language, and I looked this up on Wikipedia, and frankly, it's one of those things that's slightly too difficult to describe in simple terms. You know, you've got to know to understand kind of thing, and I don't actually know, so I don't actually understand. But what we've got there, programming language, is going to be a set of instructions written in a language for machines to be read by machines. So that is writing actual computer programs. That's not, and that's not. So HTML is for websites. SQL is for databases, and Python is for, I'm just going to say, programming, hoping that that definition becomes clearer over time. Now, the last thing to say about that is that, damn, 3 minutes is up. Okay, well, let's just pretend that didn't happen so I can say my last thing. There's only one HTML, and there's basically only one SQL, right? There's only one markup language for websites, and there's, some people would argue with me on this, mostly only one dominant. There's one dominant query language for databases, but there's lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of programming languages. I mean, lots and lots and lots. Reason why I picked Python is a fairly straightforward reason. It's easy. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Jamie. Bye-bye.